Gracie, look, they left the gate open.
Left the gate.
Should we go?
Yeah, I should go. Go in. Ladies first.
Whoa, Gracie's not scared.
Well, I'm not scared. Don't slap me. I win, I promise.
Why don't you just walk around?
That's exactly what I thought. You kind of can't bend your knees. You gotta fit your tush. We did it. See, we did it. We did it. What is this?
This used to be a zoo, and now it's abandoned.
Abandoned.
It's not a zoo anymore. This is where all the animals used to be. Look. This is where the zookeeper would have come in and fed you if you're an animal.
It's maybe dangerous. I would think it's dangerous, but there's no sign. Did someone die in there?
You think the animal ate them? You think they kept kids in here?
Dad, why don't you just go right up?
Go up there.
Don't you dare scare me. Looks like there was people up there. There's writing. There's no rail. Nothing. Well, not rail. No chains. Nothing like that. There's a secret passageway. I don't think they want you to go down there.
You don't think so? Charlie, where are you? Okay.
Okay, that's fine. Wait, where's Mom?
What'd you say, Gracie?
You probably shouldn't be doing this.
Why?
Dad, come. Come here. I don't think you're allowed. I don't think you were even allowed to go over there. Daddy, this is so cool. Come here. Whatever. Oh. No way. Move the net.
Stay right there. Stay right there.
Why?
Because I want you to fall down the stairs.
Can we go down there?
No. Nellie, what kind of animal are you?
I'm a monkey. Monkey. I'm a monkey.
All right, close the gate. Let's leave the monkeys in the zoo. My grandma would be so worried about tetanus shots right now.
50 years.
50 years what?
That it's been closed, bless you. 1966. It opened in 1912.
Just drive. Not too long, not too short. Right there. Now.
Where do you think these stairs used to go to?
Don't know. I wasn't here in 1966.
Isn't that weird?
think you were even allowed to go over there. Daddy, this is so cool.